Welcome to the Model 2. This topic number 3 is on entrepreneurship techniques, and this lesson, the number 3, will talk about political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal analysis. In order to improve the strategic thinking approach of agricultural entrepreneurs and their ability to study and especially to predict the external factors, we have an important strategic tool which is called pestle analysis, a strategic pattern which analyzes external factors connected to businesses. So the main aim of this lesson is to provide agricultural entrepreneurs the adequate knowledge of this pestle analysis. Pestle analysis stands for political, economic, social, technology, environmental, and legal. Pestle analysis is an important scheme used to understand all the external factors which could facilitate or maybe also obstaculate companies. So it is divided into 6 main external factors connected to business, and it will provide information and prediction on them. So let's start from the political dimension. Political dimension in the pestle analysis is truly important because it affects market and economy as well. So in this field, the pestle analysis suggests all the analysis regarding the policies. We can talk about government policies, but also foreign trade policies. We can also analyze leadership, internal political issues and trends, tax policy, regulations, and deregulation trends, and at the end, economical policies, which are very important in order to improve your pestle analysis. And what about the economical environment part of the pestle analysis? It's truly important as well because it affects the company's life. So we have to consider the current and projected economic growth. We have to consider also all the rates regarding inflation and also interest rates. And what about the job growth and the unemployment problem regarding the connection between business and the environment you are trying to study, and labor cost, impact of globalization on your business and the income of consumers, and what about also the changes of the economical environment. These variables are strictly important in order to consider the relation between the external factors and your business. In the pestle analysis, it's important to consider also the social dimension. So here the social factors will change consumers and will have an impact on the market. So in this case, we have to consider demographic factors, all the behavior related to consumer and the buying patterns, and also the population growth rate, employment patterns, sociocultural changes, ethnic and religious trends, and at the end, more important, the living standards. Nowadays, technology is growing all the time and is having an impact on our daily life. So it can have an impact as well in the pestle analysis. So we can also consider important technology factors in this case. We can consider new production ways, new distribution ways, and new type of communication channels using the new technology. So all these external factors related to technology can affect strongly industries and markets. For sure, the environment impact can have an important consequence on market due to all the changes and contexts related to the environmental factors. So in this pestle analysis, it's such an important thing to consider all the, for example, increasing scarcity of raw materials Or what about the pollution target? We have to consider them and study them in order to improve our analysis and try to create business as a sustainable company and study more about carbon footprint targets, and of course try to check all the weather characteristics. Imagine how are important all the laws and regulation regarding our business. So now we are talking about the legal factors which have an important impact on our business. We can consider here the trade laws, product labeling and product safety, and all the rights regarding the consumer and laws as well. What about the advertising standards? We need to check them and improve them, try to reach all the equal opportunities, and to have health and safety laws. So by this important lesson, we have analyzed today what is a pest analysis as a strategic tool in order to reach data and all the information to act sounded choices. It also encompasses the analysis of the most important and relevant external factors. We have seen the political ones, the economical, social, technological, environmental, and the legal ones. And moreover, it can be implemented to guide all the choices toward sustainability in order to orient your business in this kind of sustainable way.